Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my newest triple drone design. This flute here is my special series F sharp tuned to 440 hertz. And as you can see, my triple drone is different from anyone else's out there in the world. I don't use buttons right here to cover up the 3 drone holes. I use leather because the buttons have a tendency to be in the way, and with the leather you can still hold your fingers or your hand flat to play the middle section. So that's the reason I use the leather. See? And if you bear with me, I'll play just a little short sound sample of this one here to let you hear its beautiful voice. This flute here, it's concert tuned. It's recording quality, and you can practically do about anything with it. You can play it so many different ways. In the mouthpiece, as you can see, I have the mouth holes, the blowholes really close together, so you don't have to open your mouth up really wide. I want it to be comfortable for you. And also you can tell the middle one is just a little bit higher. So it'll be easy for you to find. This one here has been produced from aromatic cedar. And as you can see, it's a very beautiful piece of cedar. I don't use cheap stuff. It's high quality cedar. If you bear with me, I'll demonstrate just a very short sound sample how to play this flute, or how it sounds. And also I'll demonstrate to you how to remove the leather from the finger holes. Beautiful. Now to remove the leather off the 3 finger holes here on the drone side, there's a knot up underneath of the flute on the leather. All you have to do is grab that knot. And when you grab the knot, all you got to do is pull down on the knot and twist it up. That way you don't damage your leather. You can just grab the knot, and as you can see, you twist it. See how I did it? Grab the knot and just remove it off your finger holes. Now you can play each individual hole on this flute if you wanted to. Like this one here with just the finger hole open, one finger hole open. If you play the middle one and the drone side on the right. Okay, you can do a whole lot more than that. Okay, I'm going to remove the finger hole right here. Like I said, just grab your knot on the bottom. You'll feel a knot. Pull down on your knot and then just twist your leather like so. Just slide it out of the way. See? Okay, now I have two holes open. More than that. I'm just trying to speed up the video. Now I'm gonna remove the third one. Like I said, just grab your knot on the bottom of the leather, pull down on it and twist it. Pull down on it and just twist it off your finger hole just like that. Now you can play like this. You can also play through all three blowholes. Just make sure you give each one of them the same amount of air. You know, don't have your mouth closed, covering off one of them because it won't sound correctly. But you can do a whole lot more with this flute. When you get it, you just have to play along with it. But like I said earlier in the video, if I mentioned it, I have these flutes on sale, these triple drones, but I don't know how much longer I'll have them on this sale here because it costs a whole lot to make these flutes, folks. It costs a lot in material, my time, and also, you know, of course, power, electric. So right now is the perfect time for you to get you one of these triple drones. And I promise you that you will have an amazing sounding flute when you get it. But I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away. And this one here is a customer's flute, of course. This one here is already gone, but I can make you one. And I will be honored. Thank you so much, folks. Beautiful sounding flute. Have a good one.